Beijing's gonna stop recording and then
Oh, sorry.
you can Beijing
Uh, so, the recording is in progress.
Beijing,
You
did you
didn't
stop
recording.
recording?
So I cannot see do the recording is in progress. You can see
No,
it?
It says recording. Beijing, did you stop recording?
I started recording.
Okay, so then you're good. You can present your
Okay.
recording.
Okay. So can you see the screen now?
Yes.
So hi everyone. Today my topic is for the how to lure fishing. And okay. So the first in some day when you are in around a pond or around a river, you see some people through the slice of wood or slice of plastic or the ironing in the river, and you see some people like the bars or the pike, they they can use the slice of ironing to get the fish. So do you feel interesting? Feel for the how they are, how the fishing rod work to get the fish. This is our today's topic, the lure fishing. Okay, for today, there is the outcomes for today. The first is know the origins of the lure fishing, and the second is understand the principles of the lure fishing, and the third is fish species sustainable for the lure fishing, like which kind of fish is the purpose fish species for the lure, and the fourth one is the equipment for the lure fishing. Okay, now we have a pre-assessment. Have you ever fish, maybe not the lure fish or any fishing before?
I got ice fishing before
Mm,
in
yeah,
the
the ice
winter.
fishing also is maybe a kind of the lure fishing. We use the minnow. Um, in the you have the also have the fishing rod, fishing reel, but it is smaller than the regular size. Do you any other have the experience for fishing?
No, I have not gone fishing before.
Okay. Then the first let's know the origins of the lure fishing. These people, the James Haddon is the first people in the world to make the lure, because in some day he went to a pond near his house, and he threw a small piece of wood in the water, and he find a bars catch the wood, but not eat. The bars catch the wood not for the eat, just for the attract, and attract his attract somebody in his territory, and then he think we can use this way to get the fish, and then he made the first the lure baits. You can see the left one. This is the first lure bait in the world. It is made of the wood. It is a top water lure. And then let's talk about the principles of the lure fishing. The lure fishing is let the let the lure like the bait to stimulate small animals like some worm, like some lobster or some other minnows. And in the nature, the big fish is the small fish, and the small fish is the some lobster or the worm. So we are try to stimulate small animals to attractive the big fish, and how you do to play with the lure. As you drop the lure into the water, you can control the way the lure moves to mimic a school of fish or a worm by evening out the retrieve the small drums and the twitch to the lures. And the lure will like a fish to attractive the big fish. And also we will talk about the fish species. The left one is me to get the bass. This is the Bukong Lake in I think in the Peterborough. And some fish like the bass or you can see the pike, the tilapia, the bowfin, and the snakehead fish. Some fish like that, they are aggressive and they have their own territory. They want to protect the maybe small fish, or they just want no other big fish in their territory. So they will attractive by some maybe like the spinner bait is like the spinner bait is like a lot of a school of fish, and they will attract it, and the hook is on the bait, and when they attract to the lure, they will be catch. And then we will know the equipment for the lure fishing. This is my equipment. I have 4 fishing rod and 4 fishing reel. The left 3 is the spinner rod, and the right one is the casting rod. You can see the spinner rod use the spinning reel, and the spinning reel. The advantage for the spinning reel is it is easily to control it, and and also it can throw very far. And the casting reel is for the casting rod. It is difficult to control the casting reel, but when you see sometimes using the fish is hide in maybe the tree hole or the grass hole, you can use the casting reel to do some details control. And also, a very important thing is the fishing line. We have 3 common lines: the carbon line, the nylon line, and the PE line. The carbon line and the nylon line, like it is similar. Uh, the advantage for them, it is it is difficult. It is very hard, and it is not very easily to be broke up. And the PE line, this is very easy to control, but when you use it for some time, you should to cut off them and use a new one. And the last one is the equipment of the lure. This is the the bait. For the bait, it has 2 big species, the hard bait and the soft bait. The hard bait is, you can see the top one is this one is the crankbait, and it is stimulate for fish, and also the bottom one is the jerkbait. It is have the same regulation, and the right one is the soft bait. The top one is stimulate for lobster, and the bottom one is like a small fish. Okay.
我在你的 Apple Music 资料库中没找到这个内容。
And then this is a post assessment. So who invented the first lure bait?
James Hayden.
Yeah, and so how many the types of fishing lines are common?
Comment.
There's
3?
3.
Yes. So what kind of fish are our the target species? You can just describe how the fish look like is fine, or give some detail species.
No idea.
Okay, so just some fish have which is aggressive and so like some pike or the bars. Okay, this is the reference for today. Thank you so much.
Did anyone not present yet? I feel like everyone presented.
Everybody is already present.